This is Tim of ArkansasCorgis.com. This is the green ID boy, born June 14th, 2024, from Leia and Olaf. He's currently 3.5 weeks old. He's always been about the second or third largest boy in the litter. He's always nice and calm and chill. If you watch some of the other videos, you'll see them kind of running around whimpering, and he's just chill right now. A little bit of white on the muzzle, mostly towards the center. Then that very faint stripe between the eyes. It's wide enough that it will stay once he's full grown. On the very, very top of the head, he has a really small white spot. Yeah, we can't see it in the video.
Okay. Right there.
Yeah, that one right there will probably fade out. For a collar, it goes halfway around the neck. It stops in the center in the back. Yeah, just turn that back up.
Back up.
Yeah, right there. Stops in the center. And now turn him so we see the white side.
Oh, white side.
White on that side of the collar and red on the other side. And he still has his puppy coat. As he gets older, he'll turn red. 4 white socks. Show me the white chest. He's laying down. He's like, I'm just going to go sleep here. Alright, yeah, white underbelly and white chest. His chest hair is getting a little bit longer lately. But yeah, he's just sitting there, relaxing. He ain't no care in the world. Very calm dog. And there he is falling asleep. Okay, that is green ID boy. Hey, yeah, he's asleep now. Eyes are almost closed. Good night, Green.